Hello everyone, my name is Dylan Kombu and I'm a full stack JavaScript developer from Cameroon. I decided to realize this video to show you what I built for the hackathon organized by Refine. And I decided to create a form builder application like Google Form that will help everyone to generate a form and share it to every pupil in order to get information from them. And as technology, as you know, we had to use Refine first, yes. And on top of that, I decided to use Material UI for stealing the user interface and SOPA base for the backend. And I also decided to combine Refine to Next.js in order to realize the front end part of this application. So let's get started. So how to start? In order to realize or to generate a new form using Hopus form, which is the name of this application, we have to create an account, or if we already have an account, we just have to log in. So we will go into the login section, the login page, in order to get access to the dashboard. As I already have an account, I will just log in, and then I will be redirected into the dashboard, and here we go. So on this screen we can see that there is no form yet, so we will generate a new one and it will appear here. And another thing, we can decide to create folders like this one. This is the predefined folders. These folders will contain all the forms that a person or the connected user will create. So I can decide to create a new folder, for example, I don't know, Hackaton, create, and this folder appears here. And to create a form inside this folder, I just have to click on that folder and click on create new form, and here I can add the name, I don't know, Hackathon organized by Fine plus dev, yes, and no description, yes, it is not required. And here we go, I have my form created here. Okay, we already have a form, that's great. So as we can see, there is an option here on that form. If I click on the option icon, we can see that we can open the form by clicking on open, we can update, and we can delete. All the deleted forms will be stored inside the bin folder. So the bin folder contains all the forms that we have deleted. Okay. So to open the form, I can, for example, click on open or just on the name of the form. And here we go. I'm redirected into the place where we actually generate the form. And here we have three main sections. The first one is the question section. It is the place where we actually generate the whole form by using all these elements which are on the left part of the screen. So we can see that there is many basic elements. Yes, we have the reading, the short text, the long text, multi-choice, unique choice, choice list, and date. So all these basic elements are used to construct or generate the form. The second section is the place where all the response of this particular form will be stored. So that if, for example, we share this form to everyone and these people decide to fill the form, all their response will be stored here. So we have a table here. The last part, the last section, is the place where we generate the link that will be used to access to the form and fill it. And we can revoke the link by generating a new one so that the previous one won't be available. Okay, now let's see how to finally generate the form by using each of the form elements that I have presented previously. To do that, we have to come back into the question section because it is on that section where we have the form elements and the generated form. Okay, for this form, for example, as we can see on the title, the form title is Hackaton organized by Refine Process. Let's suppose that we want to generate a form that will be used by the organizer, for example, to get all information about all the participants. It is just a supposition. So we want to know about, for example, the name, the address, the email address, the GitHub link, and the sex, and also the birthday date. So to do that, we have many form elements. We have to choose the right one. For example, for the name we can decide to use the short text element. So if we click on short text, we have this card which appears, and we can delete. So we have, for the name, we click on the short text and this card appears. We can give a label. The label will be a question. So the name, we want the name from the user. We can also add a subtitle, but for this purpose it is not necessary. We can leave it like that. So we have the name here, and after the name we have the email address. So the short text is good for this one too. So the email address. Okay, and for the GitHub link for the profile of the user, the short text is a good choice too. So GitHub link. Okay, for the sex. Okay, now for the sex, the right choice is the unique choice, because we will have many choices. In that case, only two choices, and the user will choose only one from that list. So the unique choice is the right one. So let's say sex here, and we add male as values and female, and here we go. The last one is the birthday of the user. It's the date actually. So birthday, yes, and it's okay. So let's see the other form elements. We have the long text. If I click on that, for example, we have the text area. We have a text area, but it is not good for this test. We have the multi-choice. It is like the unique choice, but we will have checkboxes. So let's enter anything, and we have this checkbox. Okay. And the last one is the choice list. It is actually a select form element, like this one. Okay, we have already generated our form, so we can share the link of this form to any participant of the hackathon organized by Refine and get access to the competition. So to share the link, we have to go into the publish section, and we have this link that we can copy and share it on social media like Dev platform, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Okay. let's suppose that we want to view the form as a user. To do that, we can click on the eye here. When we click on the eye, the form will be okay. We have the form like that, and we can decide to fill the form and submit it. Yes, and submit it. So let's fill the form. For the name, my name is Time Combo. Yes. The email address, let's add anything like that. gmail.com. And for the GitHub link, http://github.com. Yes. The sex, male, and the birthday, let's add anything just for the day, and we submit. Okay, here we go. The form has been successfully sent. Okay, as my response has been sent, that means that we are able to see the response into the response section. So let's move into the dashboard and to see the response that I just sent for this form. Okay, I click on the Hackaton and I move myself into the response section. Okay, here we go. We can see that there is only one response: the name, the email address, the GitHub link, the sex, and the birthday. Okay, it works very, very, very fine. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope that you find it very good, and yeah,